Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to teach you how to replace your batteries on your Tekton digital pressure cooker.
No!
Alright, first tool, we need a flathead. It's a flathead because I don't have a screwdriver. We need this flathead right here. This is a 1.5 flathead, by the way. Let's take off the screws right here. And one in the top. Alright, and we're gonna take the top right here, just pry it up. Yeah, just pry the top right here. Separate the body. There you go. Put it aside for now, and spread the bottom. Okay, so this is your battery right here, and there's another battery. So by the way, this is the part number for the battery, CR2032, and this is a LR44 battery. So replacing with this battery right here, the LR44, and the SR2032. Okay. Alright, first we're gonna remove all this bottom right here. We're gonna use the LR44s. I'll be using the flathead. See here. LR44, and we need 3 of those. Now you put this new ones. We just need 3. It goes this way, facing this way. This is the head. This is called the positive, and this is the negative in the back. So we're gonna go this way. 3 of those. So they go the same way. Alright, there we go. The LR44 batteries are installed, and we're gonna take off this 32, the big one, the coin, battery coin. We're gonna use the flathead. I'm just gonna pry this one up. There you go. And we're gonna take one of these. Alright guys, we're gonna replace the CR2032. I'm gonna put it right here. By the way guys, this one be facing down, so this is your positive. Just press it down. There you go, and snap it in place, and just slide up. So we're gonna replace the. Alright, we're gonna put everything back together. So this was going up. and it should be going here. So this is your button. So this one goes this way. It just slides in like that. And just put the casing back. And we're gonna replace the screws. Alright guys, our install is correct. It's complete.
Wow, it's very nice.
And there you go guys. Our install is complete. And that's how you change your batteries on your Tekton digital tire pressure gauge. Alright guys, if you like the video, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.